We're on season 9, episode 6, the finale.
Welcome. Today I'm bringing you to a resort that I know very well. It's called Amendoira. Lovely lounge, lovely dining room, beautiful kitchen. You've got bright light everywhere. You've got patio doors that take you out on the sides of the swimming pool. It's got a wrap-round balcony all the way round, and as you'll see when we go outside in a moment, you've got a distant sea view down to Villamora.
And you come through out from Portugal towards Silves, and then it goes really calm and countryside.